of Bharajan. So before starting the technical part of the today's session, I just wanted to give the brief about Bharajan. India trying to build multi-models for India. This is not just a company; it's a consortium of three different IITs, and where IIT Bombay is leading under the Professor Ganesh Ramakrishna. About Bharachain so far built two LLM models and some of the speech or vision-based models. 2 days back in Indian AI Impact Summit, Bharajan released the Parag 2 model that I'm going to explain you about how we have rated that model. Yeah, this Bharajan is just not a government company, but it's a collaboration of research, industry, and academia, where we are trying to use the research capability from academia, trying to use the money from government, and trying to have a collaboration application for the industrial sectors. Why we require our own foundation models? When you are using the GPT, Quran, or DeepSeek, these models are not representing the Indian languages like a Mahipuri, Kopi, Santali, these kind of Nekhi. So we present our language, we present our diversity of the culture, diversity of the language. We require our own foundation models. Here are the three different factors which I wanted to cover. Where we require to build a foundation model. First, the data. Second is the architecture. Third one is the cloud. The data part. There are different sources of data from where we are collecting India oriented India cultural data. Where is the one is the OCR. Bharajan data multiple partnership with the national libraries and different university to collect the local books. And we have done massive OCR or the millions of books. There are ways to open most of the English accounts synthetic. Some of the languages are underrepresented in the web Google. So there we require translation and synthetic way to create that data sets. When we are talking about the different stages of filtering, where the first stage is the initial cleaning and the filtering, where we are modifying our all the cleaning pipeline as per the source. These pipelines are we are trying to write in the Rust format, so we can able to do the filtering within a less amount of time. Second stage is language and quality filtering. Quality filters are not available in the open source called 2020 languages. Bharajan built it their own quality filters by a house using the Inforo based transfer. Other people are using the Inforo based transfer, but that's a more compute heavy. So we are going to use the only Inforo based transfer to build the quality filters. Then it's deduplication. So after updating the quality filters, we have to deduplicate with the with the original data sets. Here reduplication requires CPU heavy. So we are trying to use the high power CPUs where we have a multi number of threads more than the RAM which we are trying to use. Then we have a fourth stage where we are trying to have a safety and compliance, and also decontamination where we are trying to remove the test sets or the benchmark sets from the final data, and also we are trying to have a safeties. We are trying to remove the toxicity from the data sets, and then we are writing in the final corpus in the yeah. So after after completing the data gathering, data storing, data visualization, here we have some of the composition of data, how we are trying to use the data to feed the model. Here you can see in the petition, these are the academic SFT, multilingual math, code, and English. These are the different subsets of data which we are trying to use. This composition is not coming as a blindly. There are some angulation which we need to run before getting to this final stage. To run the ablation, we are using some of the open source methodology and some of the e-house methodology. From the open source, we are in the online data mixture. We are using RakeNex or K-means type of method, but reasoning capability was not that much good. So because of that, we increased the reasoning and the code compositions. Here, the second key fact, Param 2 has a 70 billion parameter. Out of that, 2.4 billion are IQ parameters. Param 2, now the language is Param 2 is supporting. I just wanted to cover the what exactly the difference in architecture part. We have done the three different architecture changes. One is we are adding the shared expert or the routing expert. So in the routing experts, top key, total top key is 6. That's the shared expert, and 2 is a routing expert. We are also adding the dense layer in overall architecture. There are total 21 layer. Out of that, first layer is a dense layer. Why we are adding the dense layer? Because to get a models more to have a more stability in the training, as well as model the whatever the multilingual data is coming, that not should directly go to the MOE layer. Because of that, we are adding the dense layer to as a normalized layer. We have trained this model in the BF6 business. Very soon we are trying to reach this model in the NVFP4 format, so people can use that for the edge-based devices. We are using the group pay attention for this 21 layers. There is one more thing. Currently, this supporting the 4K context window, but very soon we are trying to release the variant of this model with the 128 context window capacity. These are the some benchmark you can see. These are the we have compared Param 2 with the Brain, DeepSeek, and GPT model. You can see the how it's performing in the English benchmarks and also Codeman reasoning. It's a this model is primarily focusing on the multi-able testing. It's doing the good in the English, math, and code reasoning. These are the benchmarks about instruction following. Most of the application require the instruction-based capability. So here you can see how our model is doing in the instruction like TriVQ, RojoQ, and also Indic language framework is performing outperforming than compared to all our other models. When we talked about the data and the architecture part, but these are the design of our architect overall architecture, how we have in-house created this cloud to build the LLMs. This is here just we added the 2 layers, 2 nodes or 2 instances, but in-house we have more than 8,000 of GPU we are trying to manage. Here just this is I think this is the most of the people aware about how NVLink, NVSwitch, and Fabric adapters are connected to the two is. So whenever we are evaluating the new cloud, there are 3 testing which we are trying to do. One is NCCL, second is SPL, and third is the our in-house ML pump. In the NCCL, before going to NCCL, I just wanted to talk about HPL. HPL is just a linear algebraic operation which we wanted to submit to the GPU and trying to figure out how whether our GPUs are healthy or not. But also HPL is just is depend about the Buddha cores, not tensor cores. Second thing about the NCCL we are trying to figure out the maximum theoretical bandwidth of all the instances present. Infinity, Rocky, and EAP, these are the fabric adapters. Infinity is from NVIDIA, Rocky is open source, EAP is AWS. In the ML per, this is the actual benchmark of loading our 7TB model in a different setting and try to figure out how much deep flop we can get by deploying our architecture. What and I am explaining about the EAP. EAP has something different than Infinity and Rocky. EAP can work good for the larger model because it helps you to transfer the packages from one instance to another instances. And in the EAP, we are reading the good batch bandwidth. So, guys, this is about Bharatin building how Bharatin is building the AI with the 3 different factor: data, architecture, and the cloud. So, anyone, any question? I think already. Yeah, that's fine, Gary. Yeah, yeah, it's available to IMS. You can use it. You will do give in host. You will in host to get access to KPA. Currently, API key action is not here. The model is already hosting not hosted, but Checkpoint completely hosted into Hugging Face. You can download and host on your local cloud. But 24 GP naming is required to host this one. Yes, but very soon we are releasing NVFP4 Checkpoint. which you can run over your mobile.
So, is there a context for the model as well?
Currently, Ponte Jojen is not yet released to the Hugging Face, but the version which we have released to the Hugging Face, that is BF16, which require 24 GB of RAM.
What about the data देखो को?
Currently, we are not releasing the data. Release the data. We have released the recipes. We have released the model chip.
You can run on my local account.
Yes. Yes.
But one more EVI.
Yes. GC PL Prime GB.
LM, yes, probably GB. And maybe sometime